You have control.
I have control.
So, nochmal Ihr Kapitän aus dem Cockpit. Wir sind mittlerweile schon im Anflug auf den Flughafen Las Palmas auf Gran Canaria. Wir erwarten dort die Landung spätestens ungefähr gegen 11:50 Uhr deutscher Zeit. Das heißt 10 Minuten eher als gedacht. Das Wetter ist schön. Im Moment leicht bewölkt. Temperatur gemessen am Flughafen mit 26 Grad Celsius. Der Wind aus nördlichen Richtungen mit ungefähr so 35, 40 Kilometer pro Stunde. Wir werden voraussichtlich auf der Landebahn 03 links heute landen. Ja, je nach Verkehrssituation kann das natürlich auch noch ein Moment später werden als diese 11:49 Uhr, die ich Ihnen genannt habe. Aber pünktlich werden wir auf jeden Fall ankommen. Wie gesagt, wahrscheinlich sogar etwas eher. Ja, wir im Cockpit möchten uns bei Ihnen bedanken. Wir hoffen, Sie haben sich hier bei uns an Bord wohlgefühlt und wir wünschen einen schönen Aufenthalt auf Gran Canaria oder, falls Sie weiterreisen, eine angenehme und sichere Weiter- oder Heimreise. Vielen Dank. Once again, your captain from the flight deck. We're in the approach to Gran Canaria, Las Palmas Airport. We expect to land in about 20 minutes from now on runway 03 left. The weather is good, few clouds, temperature 26 degrees Celsius, and winds from north with about 35-40 kilometers an hour. At this time we're on the flight deck. We'd like to thank you for joining us for the flight, and we wish you a nice day on Gran Canaria Island or safe trip wherever you're traveling to today. Thank you.
1-6 and the track marker copy.
Okay.
Victor Kilo, correct, but the clear altitude 3,000 feet, 1016 Victor. Eurowings Two Victor Kilo, clear altitude 3,000 feet, QNH 1016.
Okay, I got it. I have control again.
You have control.
What happened as I wasn't here?
Meine Damen und Herren, we got a heading for 5, send altitude 3,000 feet, QNH 1016.
Okay.
And just change over to approach.
Yeah, set QNH.
QNH cross check. Passing 18,600 feet. No.
Checked. And only send altitude 3,000 and let's just confirm the briefing. Just make let's do a short briefing.
Sure. Okay. What I've seen was the arrival, but now we're cleared on heading 245. Exactly.
Yeah.
And now we're cleared to send altitude 3,000 feet.
Yeah.
So the MSA around the airport is based on the LPC VOR, which is in a south or westerly direction of the airport.
Yeah.
And the highest MSA is in the north, where the island is 8,500 feet, and then clockwise 6,000, in the southeast 4.7, and in the southwest 5.7.
Yeah.
Forest relevant is 4.7 and 60 in case of go around. Okay, the minimum for the ILS Cut 1 approach is 370 feet baro.
Yes, sir.
And the go around is the same in the box computer as on the ILS chart for the ILS Zulu 03 left. Our fuel is sufficient, everything we've typed in, 1 ton, 26 minutes.
Yeah. Okay, so we fly this ILS approach like always, flight director, autopilot, auto thrust. I will continue later with just the flight director and the auto thrust. We do a landing with flaps full and we'll do this with auto brake low and idle reverse, pre-calculated the landing distance. We have a margin of 1136 meters and after landing we will do a left turn and so left turn will be I think maybe via Sierra 3 or so, and then we will taxi via Golf or Romeo 7 wherever we get the instruction to our stand at the somewhere on the apron.
Yes.
We can switch on the ATIS after landing and then we do single engine taxi in if you like.
Yeah, sure, why not?
Yeah. I think, sure, there are some hotspots here in the chart. We keep our eye open. This is actually where we leave the runway, Sierra 3, for example. And if runway 03 left is not available, we could also take runway 03 right with a swing over.
Yeah.
Distance is almost the same. Yeah, they're parallel. I just recalculated that. This is working fine. So this is not a problem at all. Alternate is, I would say, if we have fuel is more than enough to do another approach or do two approaches here before we go to the alternate.
Sure.
So I would say the other runway is our alternate for the first. So if nothing, if this will be blocked also.
You are to expect Localizer Zulu approach to runway 03 left, Sidestep 03 in right.
Ah, okay.
Okay.
Stand by.
You're
Okay.
off
That's good.
That's
what we do. Sure.
Eurowings Two Victor Kilo. Yeah, we would accept that.
Yeah. Okay.
That's got it, sir. Thank you. Just the runway 03 left is closed.
Okay.
Okay, runway 02 left is closed, so runway 03 right for our approach. Copy.
So he said localizer or ILS approach to what?
I would say localizer approach.
Okay,
that's what he said. I can confirm that.
Then we just need to take the other chart.
Sure.
There is a chart for that. Localizer Zulu, and then we have a new minimum. Could you please invert that? There is a chart for that, and the new minimum would be 1150.
Eurowings Two Victor Kilo, just for confirmation, which localizer approach for runway 03 left? Zulu approach.
Yeah.
Localizer Zulu approach, runway 03 left, Eurowings Two Victor Kilo. Thank you.
Okay.
No problem.
Good. Yeah. Then please enter the localizer Zulu runway 03 left. There is, and it should be in the box, and then you can sequence it right away.
Right, 7 Mike, up turn right heading 250 degrees. Turn right heading 250 degrees, runway 7 Mike, Papa.
This is almost the same thing. It's just another minimum.
Yeah,
and, then the sidestep minimum is 1150, and then we just do the turn.
So I had a minimum of 740 feet.
No, I don't know. Sidestep 03 right is 1150.
Ah, you meant a sidestep. Okay.
Yeah.
Left 50.
Thank you.
So, and you want it direct to, is that correct?
Yeah, direct to, and then we can use, what is it? There's a point, is at 11.6 or so. Is there a point 11.6? Let's just double check.
Right, answer. My pump set right heading 34. Lock Zulu approach runway 03 left. Sidestep 03
this is the initial fix, is that correct?
08 LPC is 13.8 from the runway, huh?
Yeah, and the initial fix in 3,800 feet.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Good. If you use this one, that's fine. So lights are on.
Aproximación, muy buenos días, can I fly?
Yeah, you can just enter if you want. Or you can take the
Muy buenos días, suba sin restricciones, nivel de vuelo 90, vuelo directo a FACET para transición FACET 2, bueno final.
Yeah.
Okay,
checked.
Okay, weather is fine, thank you for the lights.
Sure.
I take terrain too.
Okay, let's see.
Is that okay?
Yeah, it's perfect. So that's good. So we get this. India Lima Papa is identified. So the go around is almost the same as before. Yeah, we just go to the water to the right.
Yep.
Runway length is already checked. And we just need to make sure that we, so this is arresting gear or whatever that is, that we are not too fast. But
so
according to the performance, this is okay. Yeah, that's not a problem. And yeah, then we leave to the left, and the other runway is closed. So now we.
Eurowings Two Victor Kilo, turn left heading 240 degrees. Left heading 240 degrees, Eurowings Two Victor Kilo.
Okay, there's the runway. Good.
Yep.
And then at the end, this would be a visual approach. All good.
Aproximación del Charlie Lima Lima, toma asegurada.
So we're fine.
Gracias, ahora. Mike Lima, toma asegurada, gracias a ustedes. Chao.
Approach checklist, by the way.
Yes. Approach, bar reference.
QNH 1016.
QNH 1016. Seatbelts.
On.
Minimum.
Aproximación, muy buenos días.
Baro 1150.
Yankee como autorizado.
Auto brake.
No.
Engine mode selector.
No.
Approach check is complete.
So where is the other plane? There's one on the ground, one is just -36. Good. And we need to make sure that we don't mix up the LPC and the runway, yeah, because LPC is not at the runway, yeah. LPC is from the runway.
Exactly, and that we take the lock mode.
Yeah. Later on, yeah.
Yeah.
Correct.
Or you want to fly it in a different node?
All good.
Okay.
We fly it with log, and then we dial in vertical speed. We cross-check the altitude,
yes.
And then we're good. It's 298, and then we have the checkpoints here based on India Lima Papa. This is already identified, and we're ready for right turn any time. Huh?
Yeah. Okay.
Tell him.
And Eurowings Two Victor Kilo, we are able for right turn.
Victor Kilo, call you back 30 seconds.
Hotel. It's okay, if I forget the altitudes, remind me that I should take them out to you.
Yeah.
Okay, and as I see here, distance is based on India Lima Papa, is that correct?
This is correct.
Yeah, okay.
This is what we see. This is the DME here.
Victor Kilo, turn right heading 345, clear Lock Zulu approach, runway 03 left, Sidestep 03 right, report established.
Eurowings Two Victor Kilo, right heading 345, cleared for the Localizer Zulu approach runway 03 left with a Sidestep 03 right, call you when established.
Yeah, that's good. So.
Aproximación del Winter 2400 sería posible, Lima Sur Romeo.
And lock blue.
Un minuto más, que salió un Canaria.
1000 past 500 to go.
So we're 3000.
Lock star.
We still have the glide slope indication, that's not too bad.
Yes, that's
that helps a lot.
Okay.
So, but it's all
runway straight ahead.
Yeah, you can ask for a visual approach. What do you think about that? Flaps 1, please.
Sure, why not? Speed checked. Flaps 1. And Eurowings Two Victor Kilo, we have the two runways inside. Maybe continue visually.
Two Victor Kilo, AFM we have visual approach runway 03 right, call tower 118.3. Gracias, ciao.
Eurowings Two Victor Kilo, we will continue visually runway 03 right, tower 118.3. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Flaps 2.
Speed checked. Flaps 2.
Runway inside, 12 o'clock, huh?
Yes.
Following visually.
Zulu 6, Zulu 7, proceda para rodadura militar.
Said go on altitude 2500, I think was correct. Let me just double check. You can double check with the shot.
I will. 2,500 feet is correct.
Very good. Yeah.
97 Mike Papa.
Yeah, passing EPL 5752.
Yeah, so we just go visual, all inside, all nice. Check. Gear down.
Gear down.
Ya le he visto las dos pistas libres. Ya me rodadura 1.7. UT Canarias Torre.
You want a performance page?
Yeah, please. And the bird on, please. That runway track, I think this is 026 or so. Huh?
026, correct.
Yeah, that's good. Thank you. Did you call the tower, by the way? Did you talk to her?
Not yet, because...
I just tell her. That's good.
And Gran Canaria Tower, hello, Eurowings Two Victor Kilo, on your visual approach runway 03 right.
Flaps 3.
Eurowings Two Victor Kilo, hello, continue approach runway 03 right, wind 010 degrees, 19 knots, maximum 27 knots.
Eurowings Two Victor Kilo, we'll continue approach runway 03 right.
Flaps full.
Speed checked. Flaps full.
Have VLS check.
Mike Papa, yes, continue.
VLS 132. 133, one knot more?
Yeah, please. Oh, give me two. It's good.
2 knots. It's inserted.
And landing checklist.
Landing.
Eurowings Two Victor Kilo, clear to land, runway 03 right, wind 0103 degrees, 19 knots, maximum 27 knots.
Eurowings Two Victor Kilo, runway 03 right, clear to land. Landing, ICA memo.
Landing, no blue.
Cabin.
Ready.
Landing checks complete.
Ja, danke.
Minimum
Continue.
1000.
Checked.
Checked.
So I see too wide. That's not too bad, huh? That's good.
Looks good.
Yeah. Makes sense.
Spoilers, reverse, green, brake low, diesel.
Eurowings Two Victor Kilo, left, Sierra 6, cross runway 03 left, Sierra 3, ground 121, decimal 7.
70 knots.
Check.
Stand by.
Manual braking.
Yep, genau. Okay, Sierra 6.
Yep.
And I have to ask again because she was talking when we're still on runway.
Sure.
Yeah.
So we
unfavorable.
First we wait here because this is another runway. She needs to confirm again that we can cross.
I think she did chat, but I will ask again.
Eurowings Two Victor Kilo, did you copy?
Yeah.
Eurowings Two Victor Kilo, yes, but we're still on the runway in a high-speed phase, so please say again clearance.
Eurowings Two Victor Kilo, yes, sorry then for that. Sierra 6, continue, cross runway 03 left, Sierra 3, and ground 121, decimal 7.
Ground 121.7, crossing runway 03 left is approved via Sierra 6 and thereafter Sierra 3. Bye.
Okay, as far as I can see, left side is clear and you can confirm that we are allowed to cross, huh?
Yes.
Very good.
I can confirm that.
Wonderful.
So Sierra 6 and this is Sierra 3, right side is clear.
Yeah, left side. So far I can see.
Torre de India Mike 5 en Sierra 2, ocupando 03 izquierda, 21 derecha.
A la vista, gracias.
Ground, hello, Eurowings 2 Victor Kilo.
Eurowings 2 Victor Kilo, muy buenas, continue via Golf with the Marshall Tango 8.
Continue via Golf with the Marshall Tango 8, Eurowings 2 Victor Kilo.
Okay, good.
Okay, Golf is just to the right, there's the Marshall, I guess.
Inside.
This one.
Yeah.
And Tango 8 is just in front of the terminal building.
That's good. After landing checklist.
After landing, radar predictive winches system.
Off.
After landing checks complete.
Okay. So following the marshaller, maybe you can check for 3 minutes after landing.
Just on it. Okay, start 94536. That would be 4836. So, approximately 20 seconds.
Good.
Time is up, 3 minutes.
Okay, single any taxi in, start procedure.
Look like we're one of the first guys arriving here.
Yeah. So brake temperature is good?
Yes.
Yeah, auto brake low was good. So
rodadura de balizamiento 11, buenos días.
Temperature is fine, so it's almost there.
Adelante.
So 6.
Estamos situados frente a Sierra 1. Solicitamos ocupar pista 03 izquierda para inspección de la zona.
There is
Balizamiento 11 puede entrar en 03 izquierda, vía Sierra 1.
So I'm looking for
Copiado, procediendo de balizamiento 11.
Yeah, A320. And right side is clear.
Left side is
Y
clear.
rodadura de Víctor 3-1,
Lights
informar
off.
que abandonamos pista vía Sierra 2 con otro de los vehículos que estaban en pista. Copiado, pues pueden abandonar vía Sierra 2. Copiado, con permiso para abandonar vía Sierra 2, notificaré con todo libre, gracias.
So A320 is all
Libre, rodadura
fine.
exterior de balizamiento 11 y ocupando ya pista 03 izquierda. Gracias.
A la vista, gracias.
14, 13, 12, 11, 7, 6, 5. Ah.
Almost.
Almost. Okay, we're here. Parking brake is set, and yeah, that's good. Engine, continue procedure, please. Beacon is off.
Cabin crew, all lost park.
So, okay,
That's
you
fine.
got it. Very good. Ah, yeah, very good. You checked the drift. Perfect.
I did, yeah.
Oh, that's great. Thank you. So, seatbelts are off whenever convenient. Parking checklist, please.
Parking brake or trucks.
Parking brake is set.
Engines,
Engines off.
wing lights,
Off.
and fuel pumps.
Off.
Parking checks complete.
Thank you.
Welcome.
How was it?
Nice.
How was it?
It was fun.
Interesting, huh?
Yeah, it was fun.
You see, there was an airplane on the other runway or on the taxiway. I couldn't see that just as we taxied in, with like an emergency.
Yeah.
That was the reason, because the runway was closed.
Maybe, yes.
And I understand it was like, originally we were asking about the plan. It was, I think, both runways were open as we originally planned the approach, but then they changed it and said, hey, sidestep 03 right. But I think the visual approach is easiest then.
It was easy and it was fun.
Yeah, just look out of the window and fly.
Yes, exactly.
At the nice weather. And it's much better as check out the altitude and And,
okay.
And then I would say I like always visual approaches. How about you?
Same with me.
Good.
Sometimes Greek Islands, sometimes here.
Yeah.
Depends on the weather.
Right. Yeah, it's a shame that you can't do it everywhere.
That's true. In Düsseldorf, it's not allowed.
They don't allow it in Düsseldorf. They don't want it. But in Berlin, you can fly visual approaches now.
You can?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we saved a little time on that, huh? Even.
We did.
Yeah, just a little bit. Just a small shortcut. We didn't use more fuel than planned, even a little less. And so I think was all nice, huh?
It was.
No complaints, huh?
No complaints. No.
Airplane behaved good, huh?
Let's hope that we don't get a slot and have an on-time departure bag.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Good. Hey, thank you very much.
Thanks.
Was really nice.
This is Gran Canaria ATIS information Delta at time 1050.
Break.
This is Gran Canaria ATIS information Echo at time 1100. Expect Localizer Zulu approach runway 03 left side step runway 03 right. Runway in use 03 right and runway 03 Lima 21 Romeo closed. Transition level 70. Clearance frequency 121.700. Possible ILS signal interferences due to aircraft crossing active runway. Wind touchdown zone 030 degrees 27 knots. Visibility 10 kilometer or more. Cloud view 2,200 feet. Temperature 28. Dew point 20. QNH 1016 millibars equals to 3002 inches. QFE 1015 no sig. This was Gran Canaria ATIS information Echo.